Into the darkness he was sent by parents who were ignorant. Tied down to his mother's strings, unable to be anything. Puzzled by the things he hears, his questions fall on their deaf ears. And the father, thinking work comes first, ain't got the time to quench a thirst. No, 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 no. Once he was a child, a beautiful child, a child of clay, shaped and molded into what he is today. But who is to blame for this child of clay? And going out into the street at night, the answers he may meet. The sick and twisted minds he shares, the searching questions his heart bears. And from the dregs the answers find their way into his supple mind. In time the planted seed will grow into a twisted vine below. No, 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 no. Once he was a child, a beautiful child, a child of clay, shaped and molded into what he is today. But who is to blame for this child of clay? And now his aimless days begin to drift into sordid sin. And soon dislike turns to hate as a stumbled life steals his fate. And so the light conceals his name as the day sleeps off his shame. Deprived of love and rocked by fear of feeling that the end is near. No, 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 no. Once he was a child, a beautiful child, a child of clay, shaped and molded into what he is today. But who is to blame for this child of clay? Once he was a child, a beautiful child, a child of clay, shaped and molded into what he is today. Tell me who is to blame for this child of clay?